welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I have a seafood boil. I have some crawfish over here. I have some green mussels, some snow crab, some sausage. I have some shrimp, then a little lobster over here. I got a tiny one this time. And then for sides I have rice, Smackalicious seafood boil sauce, and some green sass sauce, or green seafood sauce, or spicy seafood sauce. I don't know how to say it, but anyway, I am hungry, ready to eat. This took forever to make. And I think I forgot the paper towels again. But anyway. Ooh. Wrong pipe. Lord. Got a little baby crawfish here. I've actually never had this combo before. The mussels with You guys already know that's heartburn waiting to happen, but yellow. I say that a lot. And I have a Diet Zero. No, I have a Coke Zero. You know, I'm trying to keep healthy. Probably could have mastered it, except there's like 6 sticks of butter in this recipe, so I'm actually not a big fan, or not that I'm not a big fan, but I never gravitate more towards crab legs. If I know I'm gonna cook them. Because sometimes I don't cook them right. Yep, I don't know. They did have the big Alaskan king crab legs there, but I can barely cook snow crabs. Imagine me trying to cook king crab legs. Please. Oh man. Oh, I broke it. Anyway, all the seafood other than the green mussels, I got them from a local supermarket. It's Cermak. When I did my hot Cheeto shrimp and lobster, I didn't feel like going all the way downtown to the fresh market, so I stopped at Cermak. And I saw that they had seafood there, and their seafood looked good. So I went ahead and got all this. The green mussels, I did have to get them from the Asian market. They were frozen, but everything else was pretty fresh. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and for following me and for supporting me. I really appreciate it. I really, really do, guys. And I hope you guys like my channel so far. I honestly don't know how to eat crawfish. I think this is how you do it. My mom does not eat crawfish. My dad definitely does not eat crawfish. So no one has taught me how to eat crawfish. So if I do it wrong, please let me know in the comments below. I appreciate your honesty. Oh my god. Ooh, that one looks a little dangerous. It was still very hot. These are just so big. I love them. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Catch a ticket by the toe. If you lose, let go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. I still have that sausage and that shrimp. But I haven't dipped into my skinny little lobster. Just look at this goodness. Alright guys, thank you so much for tuning back to my channel. I hope you guys liked today's video. Don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe, share with your friends. If you guys have not tried seafood boil, like a certain type of seafood boil, I suggest you do, especially if you like seafood. It is very good. It's very filling for sure. Even if you don't have like the rice or the sausage, the seafood itself is really filling. And it's just delicious. But I will leave the link to both of these seafood sauces in the description box if you guys would like to try to make it. And if you do, let me know in the comments below. If you guys have any suggestions for me, please let me know in the comments below. I love suggestions, and I love I just like seeing you guys comment. It like makes me know that I'm not just talking to a camera, and that I'm actually talking to some people out there. But yeah, I'm going to say it again because I like to repeat myself. I hope you guys liked today's video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Somebody call 911. Eldo cannot get out of her chair. Whoa.